The reason that I ask her to play faster is she counts three. One bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bar. She's so busy, huh? But we don't care. We want to listen to music. It's her problem, huh? It's like a driver, taxi driver. Taxi driver. Okay. But the customer.
そう、タクシードライバーはすごい忙しく運転してるけど、ただ
So you want audience make easy and comfortable. When you play soft, play nothing. She plays soft. Okay, I have to play soft. I lost everything. Of course, it's difficult because you have to relax everything and not missing a note. Yeah, it's very difficult. Keep repeating this 2 bars. No. Softer.
もっと柔らかく。
No counting, you're flowing, okay? You are not on the floor, you're like this.
浮いてると、そこには座ってないから。イメージね。
Sure. Yes, yes.
浮いてる。
Yes. That's how you play piano.
そうやって。
I have to play soft. I have to play really soft.
ソフトに柔らかく。
No, it's not soft. Soft is this. Ballerina. Jelly. So when you play soft, do not try to play soft. This forte to me, not forte. More pounding. Don't be good student. Try. Boom, 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 boom. Piano. I think it's better. Sounds totally different. So now, later she makes a little bit of adjustment. But for now, exaggerate. Fortissimo.